Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Chevy Impala and I will show you how to remove and replace this middle console armrest lid. This video will apply to Chevy Impalas made from 2006 all the way up to 2016. As you can see, my existing cover is all cracked up, the leather is cracked, so I decided to get a new one to replace it. So I got this from a local salvage. I paid it 10 bucks and it takes literally 2 minutes to have it replaced. Your best option is to find one same like me on a local car salvage or the wreckers. There is lots of Chevy Impalas which are not operational anymore. Your other option is trying to find one online on eBay or Amazon, but that will cost you a bit more, plus shipping and plus the waiting time. And your third option is buying from a Chevy dealer directly, but that will cost you probably a small fortune. So like I said, just visit the local salvage, get a screwdriver with you, and that's it. Okay, so to start you'll want to lift the lid. And now you will have 8 Phillips screws to remove, 4 on each side. So you'll have one here, one here, one here, and one down at the bottom, and same thing on the other side. Okay, once you have these screws out, you'll be able to lower this portion down separately, and that will get you access to additional 4 Phillips screws. I hope you can see it. It's quite sunny here, so I can't really see what I'm recording, but you'll have 4 Phillips screws to remove. Once you have removed these additional 4 screws, there is nothing else holding this lid, this cover, and you can completely remove it. Now to install the new one, you just follow everything back in reverse. So first install those 4 screws and then lift this part up and install those 8 screws, and that's it. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.